Ayos, maya paldo ka balen at yung ini San Fernando and lunch na. Tanupan ko pa mo. Ngeni, nung manton kayong eat all you can below 200 pesos keng San Fernando downtown. Ating kaming feature ngeni apin nining sweet treats. Bakit kung ngayon kaya kayo nanuing pamangan kayong sweet treats? So for as low as 198 pesos compared to fast food or nano pa man, di ba? 198 pesos for lunch, nano pa man ano mo, di ba? So tara, lawin tayong pamangan tang ini. So chuta na kay ini. Yung sweet treats located dyan kayo yung second floor ng Gloria Centrum. Actually, alimu ining first time na feature miya kayong Marin Pampanga. Okay, so matang tamang lukulukan tam. Okay. Wait, so for as low as 198 pesos, what do you get, diba? So, comparing to ng mga kaking fast food or king karinderya, mga yan. For 198 pesos, kayang-kaya ng bulsa. Nanulabaret ang pamangan king sweet treats. So tara, matanap pinggan po. Okay, so again, this is what we have. Meron tayong vegetables dyan. We have our meat. We also have our green salad. And then meron tayong pasta for those who are pasta lovers. Kiba natin din cakes and brownies and cupcakes. And then later on, meron akong coffee. So unlimited yung mga juice din natin dito. So fast forward. Okay, so few minutes later, ito na yung table ko ngayon. Yan. It's now time for my dessert. Yan. Of course, if I could have much more, diba? Pwede naman akong kumuha sa buffet pa, pero grabe, busog na ako. Ang dami ko nang nakain. It's now time for my dessert. Okay, so final recommendation before I continue with my dessert. Para ka na ako yung sweet treats, may compare kayong Vikings, Yaki Mix, or Ichiban, or karetang, balo yung nalareta. Pero for 198 peso value, and mandun ka talagang lugar para kumapsi ka, or maglibre ka mga yan, tapos kabisa man na sa gitwalet. I think this is the right place. Sweet treats, lalong-lalo na Chuya mo kayong San Fernando, very accessible anywhere. Ating right papuntang San Fernando. So yung location na is at Gloria Centrum, second level. Yung landmark tamo is malapit sa king Simbahan Capitol and Municipio San Fernando. Just to add pala, so they also accept orders for cakes. Yan, for your events. Speaking of events, so they also parang handle small to medium events dito sa lugar na to. So if you want to have your events or occasions here, make sure to contact them. So we'll leave the contact number po dito sa description na ba.
Okay na sir, picture daw.
Kayo nga, sige.
Passion show.